guys, once again welcome back to my kitchen, and today in my kitchen I have a cinnamon pancake. Then follow me the ingredients. So we need 2 eggs, medium size, room temperature, and going to add also 2 cups of milk. This is optional guys, either almond milk or whole fat milk, it's up to you. If you are on diet, you can use almond milk or skim milk. Then we are going to add also 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Yes. And a 1/3 cup of coconut organic oil. And a teaspoon of salt. And a 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar. Yes. And 2 cups of gluten-free all-purpose flour. And I add also 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix it together. Yes. You can use electric mixer or hand mixer. It's up to you. Yes. Okay guys. And ready to cook. Just add a little bit of coconut oil in the pan. Then spoon of butter on it. Yes. Cover it. Flavor it. All right, look at this guys. Very soft. And yes, something like a softly, believe me. And look at that. Yes. Wow. One thing I love this cinnamon pancake guys, it's easy to mix together. Yes, no hassle. And the ingredients is very, you can find it in your kitchen. Yes. Look at that. And of course, the coconut with cinnamon. Oh my God, the smell is too good. Truly amazing in a way. Yes. And when you started eating it, it's very light. Yes. Okay guys, look at this. And also we are going to, of course, grill the banana. This is a banana dessert. I add a little bit of coconut oil in the pan. Yes, I mean in the pan. Okay, and here we go. We assemble everything. Look at that. I have collection of berries and of course put it on top of the pancake and also the grilled banana. Yes. And look at this. So guys, all right, the pancake is ready to serve. Just drizzle a little of